Hello and welcome to another video. Now, quite a while ago now, I bought a counter-rotating solar panel cleaning brush and I got this off AliExpress. I can't remember off the top of my head. I'll try and find out how much I paid for it, but it wasn't cheap. I've got a feeling it was around the £700 mark for this, and I've been promising to do a video for ages, so here we go. I did do a factory unit with it quite a while ago with 200 panels. I did that in the day. Now the problem I had with that was the flow was too slow for it, so I've done it on this job today. I've got 48 panels on this roof to clean today, and I'll give that a clean. I'll let you know what I think of it, where the best place to use it is, whether I'd buy it again, all that sort of thing, and we'll go through it, have a look. So the brush itself is powered by a battery, lithium-ion battery, which you have in a backpack. There it is. And on this job, it started off with the power on 96%. By the time I'd finished the 48 panels, the power was on 91%, so it does last a long time. All the electrical connections on it are really easy. They're these waterproof screw fittings and work really well. And then for the hose, for the water, you've got this one quick fit hose fitting. You also get with it charger for charging it. That is your on off, so when you're using it, goes to your backpack, that goes to your brush, and a quick on and off switch for turning it on and off. You get a length of hose, and you get a little toolkit with it as well. There's spanners and Allen keys and screwdriver and all sorts in there. A lot of spares in there as well, a lot of connection spares, solenoid spares, all sorts in there, so you do get quite a bit of extras with it in there. The pole I went for was the longest one they were offering at the time. It's an aluminium pole, which makes it heavy, but you know, it is what it is. You get what you pay for, don't you? The electric and the hose come up the inside of the pole, and then to connect them on, they just slide on and you do up 2 Allen keys. The head is adjusted for tightness by Allen keys, but I normally leave that a bit loose. So you got a bit of play in it when it's on the solar panel, so you're not always at the same angle. So would I buy it again? Well, it depends what kind of work you get in. Now, I'm not getting loads of solar panel. I thought there'd be more coming on than there has. Haven't got them so far, but hopefully I will. Now, this is quite heavy. I have tried it on a roof, and it's hard work on a domestic when there was about 18 panels, and it is hard work. It's heavy to be lifting up, it's heavy to be holding up. When you've got it working, it does sort of drag itself forward a little bit, so you're not having all the weight. But I've found if you can stand just in front of the panels, say if they're ground mounted, or if you can stand above the panels, then this is absolutely fantastic. It gets off lichen, it gets off algae. On this job I could see the water running off it and it was black, but yeah, it really does shift it well. But I wouldn't buy it if I was just doing domestic work. Commercial work, yes. Domestic work, no. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, make sure you put a like on it and share it, all the rest of it, all the usual YouTube stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.